Hello, and someone sent me this question. It's an ODE, so let's solve it and see what will be the answer. So as you can see, we have two variables, which is x and y. So we can always go for separation of variable. So I have y in this side and x. So I'm going to have y in one side and then x in one side. So how do we do that? I'm going to multiply by y plus 1 and divide by x both sides. So which means on the left hand side I will have 4x squared plus 1 divided by x. If I multiply by y plus 1 and divide by x, I will remain with x on the left hand side. And then on the right hand side I will have y into y plus 1 dy by dx. So let's write it in the standard form. This is y into y plus 1 dy, which is equals to 4x squared plus 1 over x dx. And then I can integrate both sides. So on the left hand side we can simplify this bracket and say this is the integral of y squared dy plus the integral of y dy. Even on the right hand side we can simplify. X squared divided by x is x, so this is the same as integrating x dx. You can always take out the constant, and then this side we are integrating 1 over x dx. We know that the integral of 1 over x is always the ln of x plus c. So also the integral of kx to power n is always kx to power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. So we are going to use these two rules. Now let's apply rule number 1 on this term. So we will have y to power n plus 1, which is 2 plus 1 divided by 2 plus 1. Same thing here, to y to power 1 plus 1 plus 1, which is 4x to power 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus just the ln of x and then plus c. So now we've integrated. Let's simplify. This is the same as y squared divided by 3 y cube, sorry, it's y cube. This is the same as y cube divided by 3 plus y squared divided by 2, which is equals to 4 divided by 2, which is 2x divided by 2 plus the ln of x plus c. So this will be your answer. Suppose we want to calculate c. I'm going to assume that y0 is equals to 0. So let's substitute. This will be 0 cube divided by 3, 0 squared divided by 2, which is equals to 2 into 0 squared plus the ln of 0 plus c. Therefore the ln, we don't have the ln of 0, so let me change to y of 1, because the ln of 0 is undefined. So the ln of 1, so I'm changing my x to 1. So I was not given the boundary condition, so this is just my assumption. So which means this will be 1 and this will also be 1. So we can see that our C will be equals to 0, 0, 2 into 1 squared is 2. C will be negative 2. Now let's write our final equation. This will be y cubed divided by 3 plus y squared divided by 2, which is equals to 2x divided by 2 plus the ln of x minus 2. So this will be our final equation. You can leave it like this, it's correct.